What if your pain isn't ruining you, but forging you? Says Friedrich Nietzsche. That which does not kill us makes us stronger. People repeat it like motivation, but it's not a slogan. It's a price tag. Because pain can also make you bitter, closed, numb. Strength doesn't appear automatically. It appears when you turn suffering into meaning, into discipline, into a new boundary, into a sharper truth about yourself. So don't worship pain. Use it. Ask, what is this teaching me that comfort never would? And then walk forward, not proud, just awake.